How's it going, everybody? I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and today I'm going to be playing Metro Exodus's new expansion, The Two Kernels, specifically to look at real-time ray tracing features that you can experience with an RTX 20 series GPU. The computer specs that I'm running the game on today, for your reference, include an EVGA RTX 2080 Super Hybrid, an Intel i7-7800X CPU at 3.5 GHz, 64 GB of Ballistix Tactical RAM, EVGA X299 Dark motherboard, and a SanDisk X400 SSD. So what is real-time ray tracing? Non-real-time ray tracing has been used in movies and TV for years and essentially is the act of rendering simulated light. But real-time ray tracing is when that happens on the fly as the game is being played. So we're going to play the game with the RTX on and off so that we can see the difference. Ray tracing features specifically in the two kernels have been boasted as point lighting, volumetric lighting, and emissive lighting. So again, it's all about light. Let's jump into it. All right, so right off the bat, I'm rocking a flamethrower here, and you can see just by turning on this flamethrower in a hallway, what this is gonna look like. Let me pump up my pressure here. There we go. And flame in a hallway. So you can see the emissive lighting and the volumetric lighting of the hallway there, and this is all with ray tracing on. Let's go ahead and turn ray tracing off and see what happens. Ooh, yeah, lots different. It just kind of blows everything out. It's just like overexposed and blanket light. Creepy and gross. That's a thing. Should I shoot that thing? I'm gonna turn ray tracing on real quick. Let's see if it kept it on or not. That's what happened last time. Okay, yeah, it's on. Grossy, grossy, grossy stuff. Ugh. Don't fall on my head, so gnarly. A very unclean bathroom. This is like what nightmares are made out of. Let's run through here. Kick down the door. Ah! Oh, gross! What is it? What? I didn't know this was a QTE game. Dear Lord! Ah! Well, that was fun. You can see the water reflection off the wall. I wonder if that looks the same. Let's check that out. Everything is off. Totally looks the same. Cool. Here, we'll just use this hallway as another great example of the emissive lighting. Looks super realistic. Now, you may have noticed that we had the FPS counter running in the corner during that gameplay, and with ray tracing off, we were seeing roughly 195 to 230 frames per second, and with ray tracing on, it cut down to around 110 to 160 frames per second. So noticeable difference there, but still very good performance overall. The differences that I personally noticed in the gameplay, and I would love to hear what you guys thought in the comments from watching it here in the video, I really noticed the emissive lighting the most. So when we were using a flamethrower in a hallway, seeing how the light bounced off the walls as the flame traveled down the hallway, that was the more realistic moment for me. The other differences I thought were a little more on the subtle side. I should also note that we ran this at ultra graphical settings. So if you look in the options here, video settings, quality is sitting there at ultra. Overall, I feel like Metro Exodus: The Two Kernels is a more subtle ray tracing play, but overall still very immersive and adds to the realism of the game. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I'm Trisha Hershberger, and I'll see you next time.